First up, what is a concrete coating? A concrete coating is a protective layer applied to concrete surfaces to improve their durability, aesthetics, and functionality. It acts as a barrier against stains, moisture penetration, and wear, thereby extending the life of the concrete. Concrete coatings can vary widely in type and purpose, from basic sealers that protect driveways and patios to decorative overlays that enhance the appearance of indoor floors and outdoor spaces. These coatings can be clear or colored and can provide additional benefits like resistance to slips, chemicals, or impacts, depending on the formulation or system installed. When should you install a concrete coating system? Installing a concrete coating system is advisable when your concrete surfaces are newly installed or starting to show signs of wear and deterioration. For new installations, applying a coating system early can prevent damage from occurring and prolong the life of the concrete. If existing concrete surfaces are stained, cracked, or worn out, applying a coating can rejuvenate their appearance while providing protection against further degradation. How much do concrete coatings cost? The cost of concrete coatings varies depending on factors such as type of coating system selected, the condition of the concrete surface, the size of the area to be coated, and the performance requirements of the spec. Basic sealers or stains may cost a few dollars per square foot, while more durable epoxy or polyurethane coatings can range from $3 to $12 per square foot. Decorative overlays and specialized industrial coatings may incur higher costs due to their complexity and materials involved. It's essential to obtain multiple quotes from reputable contractors or suppliers and consider the long-term benefits of durability and maintenance savings when evaluating costs. What is the life expectancy of concrete coatings? Depending on your traffic and use of the floor, the life of the coating will vary. Most coatings we utilize have very good to great durability. The wear coat or top coat that is applied to the surface will last between 5 and 10 years before the need to simply apply a new top coat. What is the most durable outdoor concrete coating? The most durable outdoor concrete coating is water-based polyurethane by Westcoat. It has UV resistance and is color fast. All polyurethane and polyaspartic products are for outdoor coating applications. They are designed to hold up to the strong summer sun as well as winter freeze-thaw cycles. Pool decks, patios, walkways, and driveways are the target areas for these products. Do concrete overlays crack? Rarely do concrete overlays crack. They are designed to flex and move with the substrate that they are attached to. If a crack appears, it is usually a hairline crack that is not moving. Concrete expands and contracts with the temperatures. The concrete overlays are designed to accept some movement. What is the best product to resurface a concrete driveway? The best product to resurface a driveway is a product named Nucrete by Rapid Set. It's a modified cement that is applied to your existing driveway and budget-friendly. In some cases, when your concrete is severely damaged, a micro-topping with a layer of fabric lath can be installed. The fabric is added to the system if your concrete has more damage or cracking than Nucrete can repair. The added fabric helps bridge the cracks and spalls to give the finish a more uniform appearance. What is the best waterproof coating for concrete? The best waterproof coating for concrete is a modified cement by Westcoat applied in multiple layers. The added layers are to build up the system for durability and aesthetics. In commercial applications, a fluid-applied polyurethane, polyurea, and/or polyaspartic can be applied. The poly products are waterproof and need more than one coat or layer to provide waterproof protection and traffic durability. What is the best coating for a concrete patio? This depends on what you want and how much you want to spend. A great budget-friendly solution for concrete patios is our 1110 system. The 1110 has been developed to seal the concrete, apply a color coat, and top off with a clear or pigmented polyurethane. Not only do you get a sealed, waterproof surface, but you can choose the color as well. If you have stamped or damaged concrete, this is a great solution. What is the most common concrete coating? The most common concrete coating has been epoxy with some form of poly top coat. The best bond to concrete is always a water-based or high solids epoxy. Epoxies were developed to bond to concrete, and that provides the base to apply added coats of poly on top of them. I don't recommend leaving an epoxy as the final top coat. Always finish with a poly on top. What is the difference between polyurea and epoxy? The difference between polyurea and epoxy is simply chemistry. They are different technologies and used for different purposes. Epoxies are traditionally used as a primer or base coat to concrete, metal, or wood surfaces. Polyurea can be used as a base coat over concrete when needing a faster curing coat as well as a top coat. When used together, you have a coating system. Most of the time, epoxy will be applied to a prepared surface, then topped off with a polyurea or polyurethane. We don't recommend leaving epoxy as a top coat. Epoxy will tend to amber or chalk if left by itself without a poly top coat. Can you apply epoxy over bad concrete? Yes, you can apply epoxy over cracked, spalled, or cratered concrete. If there is a heavy damage, it can be patched before coating with a concrete patching compound. Lightly damaged concrete can be coated with 100% solids epoxy, which is self-leveling and will fill in voids and cure completely smooth. Most concrete that is considered bad can usually be restored using an epoxy coating system with a proper top coat of poly. Is polyurea stronger than epoxy? Polyurea and epoxy are about the same in strength category. However, their chemistries are completely different. Both can be used in similar situations. When researching coatings for an application, you have first determined the use of the area. Is it needing impact resistance, chemical resistance, heat or cold resistance? All coatings have a use, and one is not necessarily stronger than the other. There's been a marketing campaign against epoxy, and it's merely that, marketing. Which is better, polyurea or polyaspartic? Both polyurea and polyaspartic are modified forms of the same base material. One is more UV resistant than the other. Polyaspartic is the winner of the UV category, and polyurea is designed to bond to concrete and is a bit stronger in that category. Both are widely used and misused in the industry. Understanding what each product's strengths is will be key to a successful installation. Is polyaspartic coating better than epoxy? Polyaspartic coating is different from epoxy. The chemistry of epoxy and polyaspartic are completely different, and for good reason. Epoxy is designed to be the workhorse that bonds tenaciously to concrete, metal, and wood substrates. Polyaspartic is the glossy, beautiful top coat you see when you find a properly applied coating. Both products are necessary to create a great coating system that will last years. Why is polyurea so expensive? The raw materials that make up the poly products are simply more expensive than the raw materials for other types of coatings. Poly-based products are synthetic, aliphatics, and aromatics that have a higher reacting crosslink when mixed with an accelerator. On the other hand, epoxy raw materials are resins that are dug up out of the earth and less expensive to process into a usable product. Thanks for watching our overview on concrete coating FAQs for residential, commercial, and industrial applications. We trust this information has been valuable in guiding your decisions for protecting and enhancing your floors. At ropaint.com, we're committed to delivering superior craftsmanship, efficient service, and using top quality materials to ensure your satisfaction. If you have any more questions or wish to discuss your concrete coating project further, please visit ropaint.com. We have plenty of information on our website to help you get closer to making that concrete coating project a reality. ropaint.com. Power in people, pride in painting.